work this whole spot. I'm working from here all the way until I can get around the bridge, and if they don't fish biting, I'm gonna keep going. So we're gonna hit spot to spot. I ain't gonna stay no longer than 20 minutes, 25 minutes a spot. That's what we're gonna do today. I got my corks out here today that I made. They will perform well because I've tested them already. So pool noodle with a ½ ounce weight, swivel, 40-pound leader. That's what we're gonna do. J-hook. I'm going to J-hook on there today. So y'all stick with me. We'll be back here in a minute. Some fresh frozen, nice and bloody. That's what we're using today. Some good skipjack. The scales off of there, so I can set that hook if need be. We're gonna get going, y'all. Fishing about, I say about 8 foot deep. That's how deep I'm fishing. Using my new corks. We're gonna see how it's set up, y'all. Get it out of here. First things first. If you want to cast further, there's a quick tip. If you want to cast further, remember to loosen your drag. Loosen your drag where you can pull it. Loosen your drag. And then you gotta make sure when you get it set up, get your rod set up, you gotta tighten your drag back down, because if you don't, you'll go to try to set that hook and the line just go everywhere. So remember to tighten your drag back down. But if you want to cast further, loosen your drag. That's how we're gonna do it, y'all. We'll be back. Got one on, y'all. Ease on there. Here we go. We're gonna reel down on this one. Look at it. Look at that line. There you go. Got it. Ah, man, he come off. How did I miss that fish? Bite slow, catch a skipjack. Get you some bait. When you bite it slow, if y'all got skipjack, that's what you need to do. Get you some bait when you bite slow. Pull and drag, we'll be back. Yeah, we just logged in. I don't know what's on it. Blue. Just throw it out there. Barely hooked too. We're gonna get him off here. We'll be back. From the looks of it, it's been spawning, because this fish is scarred all up. Nice 7-pounder. Nice. I'm gonna put it back. Look like this fish look like it's wore out. All that spawning. Really didn't put up a fight either. Kind of just got drug in by that 65-pound braid. Scarred all up, you can see. Everywhere. All down his back. Side. We'll be back in a minute. Yeah, I didn't have this ride out there long. I mean, probably 3 minutes. And I'm not throwing it out far either, because it's got 3 channels up in here. It's like trenches that go all the way out, stair steps. So I'm fishing closer to the bank today because it's late in the evening, it's feeding time, so the fish they'll be in passing, so they'll be coming up closer to the bank instead of being further out, like if I was during the day or something. We'll be back here in a second. The Tennessee River bluegill right here. Humongous. That's a humongous bluegill. Can't use him for bait. I'm gonna throw him back. Try to catch me another one. Guys, this happened right here. Trying to catch a live bluegill. This happened. Channel cat. Fishing about 3 or 4 foot deep. Get out and get it, because that line gonna break. He's showing out. I didn't want him. Wanted a bluegill. I got him on a little bitty hook too. Couldn't get my camera on, y'all, but here's one of them right here. Kind of got him in the eye too. They biting now. It wasn't earlier. That's a nice one too. Full of eggs, female. Nice. Look how big her stomach is. She full of eggs. She's hungry too. I'm about to let her go with ease. Couldn't get her on camera because she hit too fast. I was trying to catch a skipjack. We don't let her go. Real easy. She's gone. Stay tuned, feeling dragged. Yeah, that fish didn't hit real hard. She was just really picking. So I had to come reel down on her real quick. We'll be back. Tennessee River. Beautiful out here tonight, y'all. Still waiting on that hog to hit. They're officially on the nest, so I gotta pull them up off of it. We got some kayakers over there. They done went over there and made them a fire. So they'll probably be there for a while. We got some more guys down here fishing. And I got a piece of skipjack on there almost the size of my 4 fingers. I got a big bait on there and I got a little bait on there just to see what they do. The first one I caught, it was off of a big piece of bait, so I'm I'm hoping they gonna log into big baits. That means I get a big bite. There's 2 coves over there, right there. It's a cove to go in right here, and there's another cove on the back side, and another cove. It's just cove, 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 cove. So if you had a boat, you get in there. We're gonna sit still for a while. The sun haven't even disappeared yet, so when the sun disappears, I'll pull the whisker sticks out. Stay tuned. Bait jump.
Yeah, he's on. But he's on there though.
Yeah, we got a hog on her. I don't know what it is. He won't come in though. Ooh-wee.
I lost another hook.
He about to pull my rod clean in that water.
Man, you get lucky every time, bro. I'm so tired of that. I'm so tired of getting lucky. Hey, you better walk over here or something. Hey, he threw it something, bro.
He got me hung up.
For real?
Yeah, there you go.
He'll come out. He'll come out.
He got me hung up.
No way.
Yep.
Walk it around this edge right here. That's the only thing you got to do. You got everybody's attention around this.
There you go.
There you go. Come out.
Oh.
Here, bring him up right here. Bring him up right here. Go ahead. I'm on. Hey, get that scale out of there. It's on the right side. Hell yeah. That's a hog. Yeah, yeah. He ain't as big as the other, but he a good 30.
Lord, have mercy.
Yeah, you got him barely hooked.
Lord, have mercy, y'all. Look at that hog.
Man, what you catching all these hogs for?
Do y'all see that hog?